Dear students, let us study a tool pig in Hadoop. You know that processing in Hadoop is done using MapReduce operations, which is basically a complex Java program. So in order to reduce the complexity of MapReduce program, a pig is introduced. Pig uses its own language called Pig Latin. Pig is an interface where you can perform analysis. There is no storage in Pig. It uses HDFS itself. All the data is stored in HDFS itself. So only for working purpose, only it is just an interface where you can perform analysis. And the data you represent in Pig in the form of a bag. Bag is similar to a table in SQL, okay? So the data is stored in the form of a bag, where each bag contains set of records, and each item or each cell in the bag is called as an atom, and each row in the bag is called as a tuple. So as and when we execute, I'll show you that. Now let us take a sample data. Say I have already prepared a data set. Say gedit, let me just open our data set, gedit data file. So this is the content which I have already created, a sample data. Let us try loading it into Pig and perform analysis on that. Now to load the data, see we can run Pig in both local mode as well as in MapReduce mode. To run the Pig in local mode, you have to use pig -x local, and to run it in MapReduce mode, you have to just use pig. Though you use local mode or MapReduce mode, the pig Latin commands remain the same. Only thing is the path you enter while loading a file. Only difference is in while entering the path. So just open a pig -x local, pig -x local. So it takes to a pig interface. Yeah, you can see a grunt shell here. When you enter a pig -x local, it takes you to a grunt shell. This is where you can enter all pig Latin commands. Our first command, let us try learning how to load the data from HDFS to pig bag. So the command is a bag name. So let me name a bag says student, space equal space, and then write the command load, space within the single quote, write the path /home/Cloudera. I have run load, give the path, and using space pig storage, P in capital letter, pig, S in capital letter, pig storage, opening parenthesis, within the single quote, you have to write the character that you have used as a delimiter as, and write the schema, name, and the data type of that first column. See, I'm writing a schema matching to the file that matching to the data set that I'm having. So city, second column is a city, and the third one is age, semicolon. Now press enter. This is how you load a data, that is using a command load, give the path using pig storage. Note here, this is a function which stores the data as a structured text file, pig storage, and P should be in capital letter and S also should be in capital letter. Within the single quote, you have to mention the delimiter and keyword as, within the parenthesis, write the schema of the bag. I have written a schema matching to the file that we have created. Okay. Now to view the content of this bag, see always this left hand side is a bag which holds the data temporarily. As and when you work in Pig, the content is stored in this bag. Okay. Note here, there should be a space between before and after this equal sign. Now to view the content of this bag, the command used is dump bag name. Dump bag name. See, though you press enter, though you write a pig Latin commands, the processing is using MapReduce. You can see here under the background, whatever the command you have given is processed and you can get the output here. Note here, the MapReduce is completed, 100% it is completed and the output is displayed. So pig Latin is very simple, just a small command. Using a small command you can perform analysis. Say in order to do the same task you might have to write some 100-200 lines of Java code. So to simplify that, pig Latin is introduced, a simple scripting language. You can store the bag into HDFS or LFS bag. The command is store bag name space into keyword into and the path where we are going to store. So we are into local file system. So the default path is /home /Cloudera / a new directory which is not existing, which will be created when we execute this particular command code using pig storage, pcaps, pig storage, opening parenthesis, within the single quote use the delimiter that we have used. Press enter. So this stores the result back into HDFS. So it says it is success. You have to verify the output using open another terminal and go to just ls. So here you can see your output file. Output 4 you can see, and please open this ls output 4, ls space output 4, press enter, cat part or p star. You can use wildcard character also to display. You can see, now you can see the content of that file stored back into LFS. You can load it from HDFS as well, or you can store it into HDFS as well. Only thing is you have to note whether you are running pig in local mode or MapReduce mode. If you are running pig in MapReduce mode, just give a command pig to go to a grunt shell, and to load the data, you have before loading the data into grunt shell, you have to move the file into a HDFS or Hadoop distributed file system, and you have to use the path accordingly.